So we're going to talk in this video about board maintenance for your new Cleartouch board. So in case you didn't know, the Cleartouch board is built in with an infrared curtain that comes off this top lip, and it's an invisible curtain, but it kind of hangs down all across the screen. So if you wear clothes with big sleeves or bracelets, then just be aware that if it gets within that infrared curtain signal, that is going to activate the touch. So you'll want to be careful with that. Your TV screen is going to get very covered with fingerprints very easily. So if you have a microfiber cloth, then you can just use a dry microfiber cloth and you can just wipe that screen until those fingerprints come off. If it gets really dirty or grimy, then please talk to your campus technician about what you can use to spray on the cloth that you can clean off those the dirt and grime a little bit better. But please know that you're never supposed to spray anything directly on your Cleartouch panel at all. Another thing that we've seen is that some teachers are wanting to hang up lights or border around their Cleartouch panel, but please do not do that because that will interfere with that infrared signal as well. So looking at the remote control, you'll see that you've got some colored buttons here. The red button on your remote is going to lock and unlock the touch on your Cleartouch board. The green will unlock and lock the touch and all of the buttons on your Cleartouch board. The yellow will show and hide clocks, but I believe that there's only a clock for London and LA, so probably not something here in Texas that we're going to want to utilize. And then the blue button will freeze and unfreeze your screen. So if you are a teacher that teaches with your screen duplicated with your teacher station, then that blue button will freeze your Cleartouch so that you can pull something up on your teacher station and it won't appear on your Cleartouch screen for all to see. So hopefully that helps you get to know your Cleartouch board a little bit better and learn about the maintenance of your board.